Okay, let's start. So it's the same model and serial number as well. Ooh, don't want to do that. Should I open it like this? Or should I just... Nah, let's do it this. £200. No! £200 down the drain. Okay. Damn, it's old. Wow. Wow, it's really old. What's this? Yeah, I guess it's original. Like, I don't know. It's a bit dusty. Yeah, it's very dusty actually. Is this really original? I guess. Oh wow, brand new. Yes, brand new. Okay. And now, oh, the adapter. Probably won't need it. I wish it didn't do this, but I'll fix it later. It's fine. Careful. Wow, it's really old. Let's go with the manual first. Wait a second. I'm gonna double check this because this looks silver. Oh, it's in Arabic, I guess. Arabic. Yeah, I guess it's true. I don't know. We'll see. And interesting. Hey. Why? Yes. Yeah. Ah, this is the new model with this thing here. Probably because of the PSU. Yes. Yeah. It looks brand new. Bit dirty, but that's fine. And I guess this doesn't turn. Nope. Oh, no, it does. Oh yes, that's amazing. Careful. How do you turn it back? There you go. Okay. Yeah, it's a weird type of plastic, I'm not gonna lie. Feels way different than the other PlayStation 2s. Oh, that was really soft. Feels a bit not very smooth, but okay. I never had this model before. The laser looks fine. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Gotta try it now. Network, audio, blah blah blah. Yeah. What's the adapter like? Ah, okay, European. Great. Okay, I want to check the serial number and everything though, because I want to make sure I wasn't scammed or anything. So, this is the warranty. Ah, okay, this is just the original code. Yeah. And yeah, that looks fine. So this is, let's see, S01. Serial HC, sorry. Is there you go. I think 5668285. Yeah, I guess I don't know why it doesn't start with HC like here, but the middle part is the same, so I take this is fine. I will Google that later. But yeah, so far all good. There's what, this is PAL, blah blah blah, and double checking more stuff. Ah, that's the other code, 2749999 99372. Okay, so far it looks fine. And I guess this is no idea. Ah, this is the code to go on the online. Yeah, sure. Never gonna happen. Okay, I don't think there is any serial here, but should be okay. Yeah, so far all good. This is good. Now let's plug it in and let's see if it really works, because that's the most important part. If it doesn't work, that's a big problem. Alright, let's start with this. Oh, right, okay. I mean, I guess it wasn't open. Everything looks fine, so I can't really say it was open for now. There's no particular element. And I need this as well. I really hope the PSU will hold, because it's inside, it's integrated. Oh yes, the controller. I must open this. Now this is gonna feel nice because it's brand new. Right, maybe I'm not gonna put it that way. Oh wow, it's very small. Nowhere near what I remembered. Oh my god. How am I gonna play this? It's tiny. Oh my god. Okay. I mean, I'm just surprised. Barely fits my hands, look. That's it, there's so much space. Where am I gonna go? I mean, it's not too bad, it's just not what I remembered. Huh, interesting. Okay, alright, let's do it. Let's hook it up. Oh, let's get a game. Let's go with a PlayStation 1 game. And then I will try a PlayStation 2 game. And because I'm a fan of Metal Gear, I'm gonna load Metal Gear, obviously. Okay. Don't know if it's gonna hold, I doubt it. Oh yeah, it's holding, great. Nope. Maybe I'll do it smaller. So far, it's holding. Okay. Let's start with this. Yep. Feels so flimsy. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. It's a completely different feeling from the other PlayStations I had. It feels so plasticky. No idea where I'm gonna plug this. Oh wait, I have some. I have a European cable here, which is fine. Wait, that's a bit difficult to get in, but okay. Not the best way to plug the cable, but so plugged it in. There's power. Yep. Which way should it go? I have no clue. Oh, there you go. There's one right here. this, this, and this. Okay. And now I need the games. And I need to turn the TV on. How's the video going? Not bad. No, not TV. I want AV. I should be able to control that, no? Component. And turn it on. So far, nothing. Not very exciting. AV1. No. AV2. AV3. What's going on? Let me see. This is I have no idea what this is. AV3? I don't know. Yeah, it should be AV3. I don't see anything being showing, which I don't like. Alright, let's go with something, another port. Component. Yeah, I think that should work. Component. Oh wow. Maybe like this? That's terrible. Or is that normal? I don't know. But I don't like it, so I'm gonna go with the adapter. Maybe that's gonna work better. Let's go with the adapter for now. Let's go with this, safer. So what I'm doing is, if you can't see it, I'm using the adapter. Then I have to go to AV1. Hey, AV1, come on. No, I guess this is normal. And the TV is a bit shit, it's old. Okay. Select a language. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is so good. I don't know if you can hear it, I'm gonna put it higher. Although I need to do something. This PlayStation has the PSU below, so I need to make sure it's not on the bed, and it has some level of, like, you know, air. But yeah, it's fine. Perfect. So I'm not gonna go with Italian. What I want to check is the. Yeah. Okay. I want English. Wow. Oh my god, that noise. So good. Yeah, that's the one. Now it's winter time, yeah. Yeah, it's winter time. Oh my god. Let's have a look at the oh yeah, for sure. 1st January 2000, yeah. Oh yes, that's good. I mean, I'm not using it. Oh, that's why it wasn't working, because you need to do this. Maybe. Alright. I don't mind setting it. Wait, it's not going up. Why? Oh, no, it's working. Weird. Can you believe it? It's 2024. What's today's date? I don't remember. I think it's like 14 maybe. I think it's like 11 something. Sure, whatever, it doesn't matter. Yeah, today is... No, it's 11 in 11/11. Wow. It's 11 at 11/11. Okay. Yeah, the visuals are not great. I think that's just the TV. SCP-90004, DVD, PlayStation. That's quite on there. Wait, what options are there? We'll look into this later. See what the browser shows. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the memory cards. So good. So the noise is so good. Let's go with the PS1 classic, Tony Hawk, and then we'll go with the PS2. Wait a second. I'm hearing some noise. There's a TV. That's fine. What is it? Damn. Is that plastic? It is. Oh, why did you do that, Sony? It's better with a little pinball. Okay, I hope it holds. What happens now? Oh yes. Oh yes. And yeah. That's loud. Oh, the video is terrible. I need to switch to a component. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh yeah, I got the little red thing. Alright, let's do a quick one. Sure, with Tony Hawk. Let's see what I got. Of course. Tony, come on. How do you go faster? Alright. It's time to go to Metal Gear. Let's see what it's like with PS2 games. I guess one click resets it, right? Okay. And then we finish the unboxing. So far so good. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh, this is gonna bring so many memories. I really don't like that plastic thing system they made. It used to be... Is that water? No. Weird. I'm gonna double check that. Maybe it's just the plastic. It's not a scratch. Of course I'm being extra because, you know. Not a scratch. Awesome. I'm gonna do this later. Why is it not loading? Oh. I'm gonna fix this a little bit so it's not. Of course it's gonna fall. Yeah, of course there's no memory card. Oh yes. Is it gonna start with the music? Yeah, of course it's gonna. This is gonna be way too long. I'm gonna skip this. Oh my god, I haven't played this in so long. Especially the Substance version, never played it. I'm gonna spend so long getting everything unlocked. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, I never tried that. What's special? Oh fuck, I forget. This is different. Basic previous story. Okay, I'll do it another time. Let's do skateboarding. You can just do it right away, I don't know. From a skateboarding game to a skateboarding game, that's hilarious. You can tell I skate. Right, must be the same as every other game. Yeah, it is. Ollie, do spins. And snake, of course. What on earth? Oh my god. What is this? This is so weird. Okay, come on, we need to do more. Oh shit. And what else can you do? Can I go down? I wanna go down, Come on. Shit, not like this. Oh, you cannot go down from here. That's a shame. Okay, like this, yeah. What the flick was that? Oh, impossible. No! Oh, the response system is so bad. Of course I gotta do this. Whew. Okay, we've done it. And I have another game, but I don't know where it is. Oh yeah, it's over there. Cool. All good then. Can't complain.